Welcome back. Today we're doing
flavor.
Waffle House, aka Awful House.
So today we're doing something a little bit different than normal. We're having a speed eating competition where we got. Let me break this down real quick. What we did here. All right. We came to Waffle House. We got the All-Star Special, which comes with eggs, toast, grits, a waffle, and your choice of sausage, bacon, or city ham. But instead, we got bacon, scrambled eggs, a biscuit, hash browns, and a blueberry waffle. And we're gonna see who can eat it faster. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's literally the whole thing. Make this slow-mo and put music over it.
Okay. Alright guys, breaking my fast here. Just, breaking the fast.
Let me
get
a
a
stopwatch. My bad.
Yeah,
We're gonna put this right here, Matt Stoney style. You know
Matt Stoney,
Yeah, we're gonna put it right here,
right there.
and then we're just gonna eat. And whoever finishes first, you gotta finish your water too. So if you finish, you gotta chug it. Yeah, man, that's part of the challenge.
Bro, that's awful. Alright, fine, I guess so.
All right.
You already started your water. Let me get to your spot.
Oh, my bad.
Let me get to your water
You're right.
spot.
I'm sorry.
Okay? Let me get there.
Hey, Tom, I'm sorry.
Seriously?
I'm sorry.
Seriously? Dude, I'm just messing with you. It's for the video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Seriously?
Okay, you're at my water. All right. Are we ready to start?
Yeah.
As soon as I hit start, we go. Okay.
Okay.
3,
2.
1. Start. I'm on my waffle. That's it. I'm home free after this.
You already got one cake? Well, we're going to have to stop scoring it. I don't need that. All right.
I'm gonna lose. How?
No, wait, hold on.
Just to compare, Thomas still has half a waffle left, half his biscuit,
And like a whole
third
scoop of hash browns.
like a lot of hash brown, and I have this. And this.
Yeah, clearly we see the winner here. Oh, did you eat it?
All I gotta do is drink this.
Yeah, don't drink it.
I'm just gonna sup it because I can.
No, don't finish it. Don't finish it.
4:08.
Don't
my
fin-
time.
Hold on.
Finish your waffle.
I gotta eat my biscuit.
He's gonna finish his waffle and then he can talk. Thomas is at 6'10" now.
No, I'm
That's
not.
really embarrassing.
No, I'm not.
I did not enjoy that as much as I thought I was going to. Could you imagine eating 68 hot dogs?
No.
Because like that's what they do every year at Nathan's Hot Dog. Like Joey Chestnut, that's
Ridiculous.
I guess I can finish the scraps while Thomas is still finishing his main course because he's so slow.
12:47. What, you trying to say something? That was really good.
Thomas,
Yeah.
you did not finish.
What are you talking about? It's all gone.
What about your water?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, finish your water.
Don't video that. That's embarrassing.
Okay, I will video it. I turned it off.
Okay.
I didn't turn it off.